Hey everyone! Today I want to dive into something that's been buzzing around for a while. Nicotine and its impact on focus, especially for those with ADHD. First things first, let's get some basics out of the way. Nicotine is a stimulant found in tobacco plants. While it's most commonly associated with smoking, it's also delivered through vaping and nicotine patches. Now, how does nicotine affect focus? Nicotine works by releasing dopamine in the brain, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in attention and reward. For individuals with ADHD who often have lower levels of dopamine, nicotine might seem like a quick fix to boost focus and attention. But here's where it gets interesting. Nicotine has a unique property of enhancing executive functions. These are the mental skills we use to manage and control our everyday tasks, like planning, problem solving, and impulse control. For someone with ADHD, these functions can be a bit of a challenge, and nicotine might temporarily improve these skills. Another thing to consider is arousal and anxiety reduction. Nicotine can act as both a stimulant and a relaxant. In small doses, it might help to calm the mind and reduce anxiety, making it easier to focus on tasks at hand. However, the line between a calming dose and an anxiety-inducing one can be quite thin. But, and this is a big but, there are significant health considerations. Nicotine is highly addictive, and long-term use can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, respiratory issues, and more. Plus, it ain't exactly cheap to maintain a nicotine habit. And here's a kicker. There's a lack of comprehensive clinical research on the long-term effects of nicotine use specifically for ADHD. Most studies focus on the general population or look at smoking cessation, not the nuanced needs and responses of those with ADHD. So, what's the takeaway here? While nicotine might offer some short-term benefits in terms of focus and executive function, the risks and lack of solid clinical research make it a questionable choice for managing ADHD. Instead, consider other proven methods like prescribed medication, behavioral therapy, and lifestyle changes. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any changes to your treatment plan. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Stay focused, stay healthy, and see you next time.